Too Much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Now, I probably Eddie Batsuma GH so and I am Obuswa enemy. That's a pay issues today, and that is a training issues and a very so semedy ever some more away feed so now send the no I can't and not a craving penna a fee I could be a share of for I say nah the pendulona so no say I feel no economy yeah I saw for I would do more or money emunum a be a shell common edisu a yeah pie I would draw a born as a bear a fifth for the year Libya Akosuyena in Shiva a woman it's me a deity Amatis will be in a chefa a woman no and I'm so Amatis and drag Dako for Ridia yeah Central Business District or new job in South Municipality and rather be a Dibia Necos Metiano a battle a stance of this will be a done to Metia a little and not as a woman women a coach a year Prophet Albert a singing a Jaguar to say Warrior also for Penia Wada Omega House Chapel Assemblies of God. No now will be in say a year will go for Ridia and Monte to their Sash of a years of Penny, what did Dimpa a sign a yen Jumetia, Wodi, I want to suffer more and acquire what fast so the empire any the DA Abwa a year and maintain war F1. Now and right there also for Penny and then answer for Manu EPSC Chromu a year job in South Municipality, Central Business District, I work for John. Woman esi montuto na tese empire ene tese na woman echa edi ama ejano eni emunkofo eso woman ebo baye ni aso na tese woman esra asase no enwo se nyame eyadoma afefufra ye bebrem no boni biara koso a tese nsem bia yeka any susue bia de susu ewo hu wiase nam so ema echi sikasem esan na ebiem so embedwate enkoto no yakopo enfa ne mosra ne mpaibo awobo eso sesa no enfa na ensema na edaso a wo edina so edi etusa anamono ene se the verdict will change and nisima na to say prophet a Jaguar na wodi di nenima wodi edwuma na ansa na no kra pono wo bomodia ema omega kwa no ne kwa da na safu no emu no wo mo ehya ase de nwom to hyehye pa hot praise and worship wo mo de ehya ase wo edwuma nom na twe de fo no adwen de eba de na ekoso no eso de wo mo de omadimedie de egu wo ade so wo mo egodi sofo no ne na safu emba echi de wo mo edom wo mo empire na wo mo ebon na ebusafo prayer topics are who draw was of way ebeja ye just a dread for na pensi ade wo ma be dan members of the congregation na say wo so eka ho ene wo mo ebo mpaye no bi ene say subaya emanipa time will be at say no so ebre dwe ase so obi tai obi ewodwemu a wo ye bibia kra den feninti na say kwan bi obema wa bofom dia na so ye no atwe asan ewodwemu de no wo mo ebo mpaye edi etia ene ebiem so jealousy say eye wotai hunu ene me pewade ene sa nyama no ene envy no ne wo mo ebo mpaye etia ebiem so backbiting bitterness and they say, would you be assigned? Say, would be say, obi emo from obi from boy, aya would the nuno, and whom I take the Emma Sadiano, say sunu, ebe for emuno, woman ebon paye, and the real or shut and come at the good journal as you said, a year after full Friday room 2021, a job cost to Sika, ebe general amateur say, a general abdoring and then pejaye, a woman to say, and say, a year it will give you no business will collapse. Ewo municipality no ebiem empire wo mo ebo ye na ebiem so no was abo empire edma asase no say asase no enso aba asase no enye feta to say oba to say obu ni say abokwa awe mu wo say no ye feta no sa so na wo bompaye edi ama asase no asase no enwo na endore ewo Yesu Kristo di mu na tese ne paye no obo wie ye na tese dwadefo no wo beni age tese wo mo eboru sesa de nwum to eka ho tese wo mo esa twam na asia edi ekwewie na we na tese eya ensem no ebeto dwa no Ghana fo bi ebo wo so fu ya ba so se awaya ade anamo otu ye no ne kwan so ano no pempi no asofo no mo hwe nim se wo no metro ma so de na tese edwadefo ya fu wo mo dwa so baako na tese wo aba wo mo nsori nim na tese wo aba mo na ase na tese akwankyere no acheche but we de we fi na sori dem ho eni eye wo ne nkofo etimi abowra edwan mu na tese waba wo mo asase so waba bebi asem na nkase si wo na obedi se edwa wo asa bompa ya ma edwadefo ni aso do mo aka ubi ama tese ahunwa wodre ye dwuma wodwan mu abompa ye ti ama tese wasasra asase no enwo a na tese nkunimdie enobade amedwane ntina na motu we je esefata basbode na beye kwa ega eye asofo abodro wo mo enhyase no mo fasa na motu no ensu mo nisu no mbo mante wa motimu anase edwa bi krapo ebe o mo krapo anase bebi a egofo eye adwuma tichiwa na omo potem komum ya emia ewo wo mo ensori potem wo krapo no wo metimetu sa na mo we no de pa ya hye so de man se na be ya program wo pompa ye ede ama eye potem wo kra no wo mo no wo mo etwe eye asafo ma ede aba wo mo asafo ni te kwan we de ego asafo nya be adopt a enka ebe bwa na ebusafo eye wo sofo ya na mo otu wo nso wa dwentwe efa wo enesen bo mo de ya na fa so ne ewe comment section dey be mo social video we on other social media platforms na follow ye our Instagram, Twitter @TooMuchGH _ Facebook @TooMuchGH. Me di edena na ama obisa na me aduma ebedi esha bi makramo.